Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to track time on different projects in Wrike. Ladies and gentlemen, in Wrike, you can add a time entry to your work that you're doing. And quite simply, you're going to go to the project that you're working on. So this is project 1 that we're looking at over here. And we are going to go into a specific task. Now let's go into task 1. You can see there are quite a few options over here. If you go all the way down to the bottom, there's a little play button. It's allowing you to start your timer. You can also use this drop-down menu. You can add in a time amount. You can add a date, a comment, and then you can click on add entry. It'll show you how many hours and minutes that you've spent in over here. So I'm just going to go 01 and just add that, not 1 second, sorry, 0100. So that'll be 1 hour, and you can just click on add entry. It'll add this now to your timesheets. Now you can actually go ahead onto the left hand side, look for timesheets, and here you'll be able to see all of your timesheets. You can now also see right over here this task 1, project 1. This is what we actually added our timesheets into now. And if you are a manager, you'll be able to actually approve this over here. So you can just select it, go in here, and then you can say add approval, and this basically will approve the time that's been spent on there. And you can go ahead and say start, and there you go. This is a nice way of managing your time entries within Wrike.